In the world after our X, your knife is not just a tool. It's your insurance. Your last line of defense. And 90% of you right now are carrying in your pocket an insurance policy that will be voided in the very first second of real stress. Folding knife versus fixed blade. The eternal debate among survivalists. But today we will end it once and for all. I will show you a test that destroyed an indestructible $500 tactical folder in 12 seconds. At the end of this video, I will reveal one hybrid design that breaks the laws of physics and combines both worlds. If you plan to live longer than the first week of the apocalypse, don't tune out. Deadly ergonomics. A folding knife is a compromise that can cost you your fingers. Any folding knife has a point of death, the pivot joint. During batoning, splitting wood by striking the spine, or when trying to pry an arrowhead out of a tree, the lock turns into a breaking point. We show the force vector on the graph. In a folding knife, the lever works against the lock. But then why do special forces still carry folding knives? It's about one hidden advantage that fixed blade fans keep quiet about. Weight matters. A Full-tang knife is the only tool you can trust with your life. It's not just a knife. It's a pry bar, it's a spear tip, it's a hammer. You can break the handle, but the piece of steel in your hand will keep working. But did you know that in a long-term escape scenario your huge Rambo knife will become your main curse? The geometry of survival. Forget the brand. Look at the steel. In a post-apocalypse, you won't have a work-sharp sharpening system. High-tech steel, like S30V or M390, on folders is cool in the city. But in the forest, when it chips, you won't sharpen it on a river stone. 1095 steel or simple carbon steel is like an old diesel engine. Rough, reliable, fixable in the field. The physics of failure. Do you know why folders fail? The lever effect. Under a lateral load of 40 kilograms, most pivot screws deform. A fixed blade can withstand up to 200 kilograms. But what if I told you there's a situation where a fixed blade is a useless piece of iron, and a folder is your only chance? The truth is that in survival there is no word or. There is the word and. Your folding knife is your first-line tool. For small tasks you do 99% of the time: cut a cord, open packaging, dress small game. Your fixed blade is the survival tool. It comes into play when you need to build shelter or defend yourself. If you can take only one knife to the end of the world, it's a fixed blade with a 10 to 12 centimeters blade and Scandinavian grinds. That's the golden ratio. It's small enough for work and strong enough for destruction. If this breakdown made you look differently at your EDC kit, hit like. It helps the algorithms promote the right gear, not marketing toys. Write in the comments, which knife will you take with you if tomorrow the internet and electricity are turned off? I will personally reply to the most well-argued options. Subscribe to the channel, here we reveal the harsh truth about survival gear every week. And remember, a knife doesn't make you a survivor. What makes you a survivor is knowing how to use it. See you in the next video.